Okay, you can't see them, but there's cattle way up there, and they are Highland Scottish Highland. I started to say Highland Terrier, Scottish Highland cattle, and we're gonna go try to get a close-up look at them. Okay, can y'all see them yet? Getting closer. Robert's gonna go up on that hill and try to get a good picture of them. I'm gonna go try to catch them before they go around that valley. So we didn't make it. We have to go back up there to the edge of the trees and cut across back to our camp. And the cows were going over those hills and walked away from us, and then they came back. We'll try them again another day. Oh wow, look at this huge big red ant hill. People keep killing red ants, but we need to stop doing that. They're our friends. Horny toads eat them, other lizards eat them, and they eat non-beneficial bugs and insects and things, even mosquitoes. So red ants are our friends. Everybody remember that. I don't think you're going to be able to see them, but they're running around doing ant stuff. So we are cutting through the woods, and can you see Fancy Free over there? That white speck, that's where we're headed. So we're back at camp, and I look across the road and I see this weird tree. Look at that. I just love stuff like this. Unfortunately, it did all of that to survive and has beetle kill.